Hi everybody, so today we're going to go through my February Allure box. I still got my Allure box. I still got it taped up. We'll look and see what's inside together. I did get to pick one of the items that's in here, so that's exciting. The Allure box, if you are not familiar with it, is a monthly makeup and skincare subscription. If you do the month-to-month plan, it's going to be $25 a month. If you want to do 3 months at a time, that would be $59 for the first 3 boxes, which is $19.67 per box. It does renew at a slightly higher price, but I think there is still a savings. And actually, no, it's $59. So it's $59.95 for your first 3 boxes. So that would be $19.67 per box for the 3-month pay ahead. They also have an annual subscription that you can do. It would be $225 for 12 boxes. That would be $18.75 per box, and with that one you get a free bonus box. And in the free bonus box it says you'll get Christoph Robin, Eve Lom, and more, valued at $325. So that's super cool. So my subscription I did is the 3-month plan, so I save a little bit each month, and they bill me every 3 months for my boxes. So this is the 4th one now that we have gotten. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, inside we have tissue paper and a card. The card has information on the products that are inside. Well, it's a booklet. So I'll be referring to this for values and information about the products that we get to. It also has some advertisements for Give the Gift of Allure or the GQ box. So in our box, I see some really nice things. The first thing I'll show you is the pick item. Everybody who was subscribed got an email to choose a YSL lipstick, you guys, a YSL lipstick. So the YSL lipstick has a $43 value just for this one lipstick. So there were 4 colors to choose from. I let my sister Krista pick the color. She's been really wanting a YSL lipstick, and she picked this beautiful pink color. This has got some weight to it. This is a metal container, a metal dispenser. It's got a beautiful color. I'm not going to swatch this one because, like I said, it's my sister's, but it's a beautiful lipstick. So everybody got to pick one. So each box would have had one YSL. The next item we have in here is Tri-Balm. This is Tri-Balm, a cleanse, exfoliate, moisturize, 3-in-1. It says geranium and mandarin. Okay, so, and right inside it has 50% off 3-in-1 full size. So this is a balm. Let me read about it in the book. I'm not familiar with this product, but let's learn about this one together. So this is from Formula Prescott Tri-Balm Cleanser Stick. This is a full size, so this is a $40 value. This says you rub the stick over dry skin and then rinse or wipe away. The formula comes off easily while those oils leave you feeling soft and smooth. Very cool. Okay, so this stick works a bit of magic, cleansing without water to refresh the skin on the go. A trio of moisturizing botanical oils, carrot, rice bran, wheat germ. Don't exactly sound sexy, but they feel heavenly. That's a description for this one. It smells, okay. This reminds me of a powder my grandmother used to get, Ammons medicated powder. This doesn't quite smell exactly like it, but it's very familiar to that fragrance. It very much smells medicinal, not in a bad way, but it does remind me of Ammons powder if you've ever tried that. I don't even know if you can still buy it, but my grandmother used to always have it in the bathroom and always smelled like that. So I put it on, I wiped it away. It does feel nice and soft, so that's a really cool thing. Just carry it with you. If you're not a makeup wearer and you need to freshen your face in the day, this is the thing to use. So very cool. I like that. And again, there's a 50% off coupon that comes with this to buy another full size. The next thing in here is an Ahava Daily an Ahava Time to Hydrate Essential Day Moisturizer. I love Ahava lotions. I have an Ahava foot cream I put on at night and put socks on over it. My feet feel great in the morning. This one is a full size. This is, oh my goodness, this is a $78 cream. This lotion it wears well under makeup and sunscreen, so it's not a sunscreen on its own, it's just a moisturizer. It says, if you like cozying up under a soft cashmere throw, the moisturizer feels decadent and calming all at the same time. Rubs in quickly so it winds up feeling light on the skin, but it's packed with soothing, hydrating ingredients. It helps exfoliate dry, dead skin cells. So it is sealed up tight, and I actually have a lot of moisturizers open, so I'm not going to open this one at the moment, but I'm excited to try that one. So far they're working on moisturizer this time of the year is a very good idea. I don't know about where you guys live, but I'm in Oklahoma and it is cold and windy and dry. The next item in here is a Jasmine Beauty Brow Boss Styling Wax. This is a clear brow wax and it works wonders shaping your brows and adding just enough volume to beef them up without looking made up. This is a $20 value. So very cool. Oh no, this is a $20 value is the 10 gram. This is a 5 gram, so this would be a $10 size. The next thing in here is a Commodity Milk Plus perfume. I have probably 2 of these. I got some from the Glossy Box Advent Calendar, which was my first video I ever put up. And I'm not really a big fan of the fragrance of it, so I'm probably going to definitely find a new home for this one. It doesn't smell bad. It really smells nice. It's just my sister and I are very fragrance sensitive, so even though it smells really nice, it's not a fragrance that either of us can wear without not feeling great. So I will find somebody else who can enjoy this one, but it does have a nice Commodity Milk perfume, and this is the only commodity perfume I ever get, so I don't know if the rest of them are different, would affect me differently, but this one I can't wear, but let me tell you about it. If you got the 100, if you got the full size, it would be 100 milliliter for $145. This is a 5 milliliter, so this is obviously a trial size. This one has marshmallow, tonka bean, and milk. It is warm, it's nice. It's not a bad fragrance again, I just can't wear it, so that one will get a new home. The last thing in the box is from Lush, you guys. We got a Lush Enzyme Facial Exfoliator. This is Happy Skin. I just posted a video on a Lush haul. I went to the store here locally and got some stuff. And each Lush product will tell you who packaged your product. They are all handmade and packaged. They have amazing. Of the stuff that's in that video, I've used the lime bath bomb and I've used some of the orange bubble bar. Oh my goodness, you guys, it smelled amazing. I love that stuff. So I'm very excited for it. My sister's been using the massage, the lotion bar, and loves it. She said her skin just feels amazing after. She's been sprinkling the sleeping powder on her pillow at night to help relax, because you can use it as a topper for lotion or as a standalone product for just putting on your sheets or your bed to help you have some aromatherapy to help you relax and sleep. So this one is, I'm going to go ahead and open this one because I am going to definitely start using this. It doesn't have much of a fragrance. It is a pot of cleanser and it's nice. It does have a tiny bit of a fragrance, but it is a nice fragrance. I couldn't nail down what it is, but this has gentle exfoliants, fresh juices, and soothing oils. Very excited for a Lush product. This one has a value of, this one is a $26 value for 100 grams. So we have a 50 grams. So this is a half size. So this should be about a $13 pot. You'll use this in place of your usual facial cleanser. Massage this in once or twice a week to help exfoliate while you cleanse. So because it's an exfoliator, you would not use it every day. It could agitate your skin, but for the once or twice a week, and this is what you can use for that. So in our box today, we got 6 total items. I think this was a great box for the $20-ish that it cost, especially considering the one lipstick was $43 for the YSL. So excellent box. I will leave a link to the Allure subscription box in my description below. I hope you guys enjoyed going through this one with me. It's been super fun. Hit the subscribe button, hit like, hit the notifications bell, and please share my channel with your friends and family who you think might enjoy the content. I would certainly appreciate the support to help grow the channel. But for now, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.